I've monitored conversation via Akoso our social media. Now, me read some of the comments I Ghana for air pass on this particular thing. Now, we are near you who the air call. Now, Mr. And there your first time with her. I just want you to do one thing for us. Click it. Okay, send your back. Click it. Subscribe. Now click the notification bell on the so you understand latest news be about once ever can. Now, President ever addressed the nation for the 8th time. Now, nini nemu no in some way the buy no new thing be but the thing nini tieti more and say said the ban on a social gathering say you na you be sorry in school any a year your any other things no be a social gathering be no still ban no ya extending no for 2 more weeks. Na nini nemu no can say okunwe ye ni coronavirus okun e okun bi a no president ne hwa due to science and data wo no ekra na ekunu ye kun bi a ebeche. It is a long war. They say a ye kun bi a ebeche pan in the Ghana for e wo say ye na ye bresi ye ho for a yes a ekunwe. Now president no ye can we ya na te say asema wo san so edetua so ene say sisia no ono na ban aye na adwen say wo mo eba be see 88 hospitals across the country. Na 88 hospitals now be see across the country no ni na ebeboa na saa de no on the face of a year asemo a president Akufo-Addo aka no na nka wo beka say ade a eye say president eba be see a year 88 hospitals na ka ade a eye but Ghana for atwetwe nsem bi aba monti a wo hwe asemo a Ghana for so atwetwe aba na they have very 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 valid points. Na me read some of the comments actually on ya hwe de echo the nkrofo ebisa ene say Corona abai. President Akufo-Addo wana wo kan say yarewe obekan say yare na yare bia se wo bi to ndwom wo bi kasa no wo na wo ben ne kra na the likelihood say won so wo obenya no very huge. It was nkrofo. Na the other thing nkrofo kan and say inti afa wonim we ni na so still lockdown na first ye wo lockdown no wama afa nkrofo pie ema nkrofo aba abonten uwie ye wa ba abonten ebeka se wo be see hospitals 88 then nkrofo kan ebi mo kan se hospitals na kra na ka hu hye dan hia na ka still ye wo lockdown mu a na ka yare no enkosuro say because ever since ye be lockdown wo hwe se na yare no ekosuro na etiefo ano den papa say since ye were thousands name we were in the thousands and after say lockdown no ye bie ye lifted the ban on lockdown. The Sisiano, just a few days after that, 500 abeka when na me de okasai. Ye 1,500. Ye ko ye ni mu a numbers are air ban Ghana crankrofo eka say ye nyandu ye peak ye. So a lot of people are sharing their concerns. Ebi mo ka say sa 88 new district hospitals here obese usi. Sebe ade a untumi you just 1 week and 1 month BNC at most. 1 year, 1 year we need 1 year. Now within that 1 year, so ebia na coronavirus eko. Inti se coronavirus kwa hospital no dey ntia na wusi enye coronavirus ntia na wusi hospital na anase e dey nti. And also ni asemo a nkrofo eka. I want to read some comments from some people. Na we comment from Sami Jemfi ni Sami Jemfi. Sami Jemfi ebe tre enyama bi na dia Sami Jemfi kan say President Akufo-Addo's latest promise to build 88 new district hospitals and 6 regional hospitals is a deceptive rehash of his many broken promises, a lie calculated for votes and not intended to be kept, and a tacit admission of failure for which he must be voted out. Asama Sami Jemfi kanono and I watch a picture bin a picture no share 2016 manifesto Akufo-Addo can say woba Obesi hospitals. There what kind of say upgrade all existing district hospitals where they exist and where they are not, establish 1 hospital. MPP's aim is for each district to have at least 1 hospital. A idea MPP for can say one mobile. There's some Jemfi can simple and short. What say idea moka say mobile 2016 moba abemu no hospital ba kokra mo ensi na afa ya mo hu say election e ba na ansa na wo be ka tre Ghana for ana wo hu say coronavirus e wo ho no ansa na be ka tre Ghana for say wo be see 88 hospitals in Nkrofo e kan say eye politics ana eye campaign and a president no wo di e fame sa akeke because our 88 hospitals na wo pese wo si no ye ne enim say time for voting no ebeduru no na won si sa 88 hospitals no eno ene nsem a ebi mu nso e kan obi nso say to say that Nana Akufo-Addo built nothing in close to 4 years isn't and cannot be true. But to say that a lot of what he's built are in Dreamville is true. Munti Assembly yo. Or say to say that Nana Akufo-Addo built nothing in close to 4 years isn't and can't be true. But to say that a lot of what he's built are in Dreamville is true. Many students are happily learning in his Ghana at 60 ultra-modern libraries in each district of Ghana today in his dreams. He's done 350 schools and completed all what his predecessors started. He's constructed dams in each village and built or has helped build a factory in each district in his dreams. Propaganda is not seeing this beautiful infrastructure and seeing only what he's actually done. As someone nipaku we okano, obviously, ube who say the person is being sarcastic. Na my main church in same nimun tremo nipaku no kan, but she say what can say. So we obia, ube sorry akan say na now the woba e won see bibia ya. Just say wo no won kan ekre. But the person is being sarcastic. And the source so say nekre na now the we see nyama. Na nyama na na do we see ni na no nyama wono na do we see e won ne daye mu. So you see how the person is being sarcastic. Ube fi say walking bia Nanado but dabi no walking tia Nanado mom say ane Ghana for amaka say Nanado wo buy 4 years on see one hospital cry ye 1 year we no muni amoboa ne kene say sa nyama ni na wesi e wo ne dayem je say emba enisuo we no de chia so say Nanado e ka say wo besi schools baako 350 sa schools baako 350 niano wesi e wo ne dayem Nanado ka say wo besi 60 ultra modern libraries ewo district bia wo Ghana ha say sa 60 libraries ni na no we see ewo ne dayem inti we hu be bia libako na edefa inti eno nso asem ya nkofo eka. So a lot of people are speaking and they are sharing their thoughts on this. Nanado sisiano people are saying say plagiarism speech bia wo mai na speech a wo mai no or can say the okan say the war no yenyen wini ye no ngofa cover video kraba video no obroni president asemo Ghana the president angasa ye be kokko hwehwe mu hu say obi asemo a waka na president no e dia ba betum. Now obi say if Esla also says Akufo-Addo cannot build 88 hospitals in 8 months, I say Esla also says Mr. Akufo-Addo cannot build 88 hospitals in 8 months. I don't understand this. But what we say, I'd rather go for JM to complete all the massive investments made in the health sector than to go for Akufo-Addo, who just rehashed 2016 campaign promises. And also, Nyasema will be Aircan. Obi also say, Akufo-Addo will find money to fund construction of 88 hospitals. Okay, now let me bring you guys your attention to another discussion on this particular thing and now meet here Ewo City FM. Nkrofo eka president no ema yeni ayeti ase se sika eni ho na Ghana senia ya boka ya call lockdown senia na ema nkrofo edwane ne nyama Ghana ya boka no sika eni ho. Into one genuine question nkrofo ebisa ne say it is 88 hospitals now president opese wusi no sika no wo benya we na sa asem no yebisa information minister nekra Ewo City FM nini na emu no em say answer na wo ma no anso Ghana fo ni na nka wuti a wo be hu se na Ghana fo air react a wo mo air blast Akufo-Addo on this 66 hospitals a wo si wo be si no Kwame A+ nso e de asem aba bonten de A+ e kan say Nanado krano ehia se wo be si 88 hospitals Mahama esi hospitals bebre Nanado baaye yen yusu aden e na yesan so tisika akosi new hospital whilst you can just open the hospitals at Mahama here. It is also one side of the argument in Crawford Ede Bashi President Akufo-Addo. When we be asem no Eda. One in Crawford ka say corona ba yare no ekum Ghana force and that me ka say Ghana for 11 na ewu. Yare no ekum Ghana for. Kan dia ebetumi aboa yen a osiwusi 88 hospitals. Ye ne nim say 88 hospitals no. Ebi a time a ye betumi esie wie kra na ebi a yare no kra ni Ghana biom. Inti tre say ehun kra enhye da ehia. And they say hospital na hu hia o. But ehun ehia yen this particular time. Ye ka say. That's one side of the argument. Inti that side of the argument, people are bashing Akufo-Addo. The other side of the argument, so Nkrofo can say, Corona is here, Moana, finance minister, Ede Asemba Abontebeka say, lockdown now, you call 3 weeks, it will take 3 to 4 years, and Sana Ghana economy a revive it. And I'm so kind of Mahama and say, Mahama Koye, one also, the virtual press conference, to Mahama Ka say, hey, and the Mona Namoka say you have the men, you are competent. Now, more competent, just 3 weeks of lockdown. Mo say economy never recover. It will take 3 years, and now say 4 years, and say economy na recover. And after say the na Moka Ghana for say you have the men, Nani ni ayentro. And someone Mahama so can no. So some people are also on that toe of lane. Eka. Someone Moka say Ghana yeniska. And the will be trying say 88 hospitals. See, can walk of our him. So those people are also bashing the president. Another side, and so bashing president is we just a political campaigner. What they fact a corona mu. What political campaign and I watch that they fact coronavirus and also your other side in Crawford can because in Crawford can say what boy when himself hospital known to me seen any mu haya. The other side of the argument and also Crawford to say Kwame A+, I will go read one also the post and in the comments was here now. The entire Crawford air bashing and now do and they say hospitals no Mahama buy at least will see bebre. But MP before buy no some hospitals ni na no yen yusu. Dear unu say Mahama when see we no just chiaso. Inti ehu nya say e besan so e bekwa ko faska so ye the basis 88 hospitals no. 88 hospitals no who kwa share say who sin ende na ebia wenwie na yemfa ne say NDC ba abemu a wo mo nso ba wo mo bejensi ho na tell say the politicians no mo ye no enye. So these are the 4 different angles enu hunti Ghana for a twabo Akufo-Addo echi on ade we ya wo say wo be ye no. But for me personally na me feel say enye adebone, but me no me hu ne say ye per immediate response. I think the building of the hospital and the 88 hospitals are not really immediate response because just like one of the comments, we've seen President Akwa say so what can enye Akufo-Addo pe from Atamil's time, Kufuor time, Mahama time. President no nyama wo mo kasa wo mo beye bia na eya na wo mo entumi enye. Until later na akwa say president na ba betwa ntro. But at the end say president no Nkrofo the proposal na betu nenim. Nkrofo the proposal na ba betu nenim fefefe. But some way somehow Nkrofo bi eta echi ubon say wo mo implementation wo mo ma enkoso papa. Ubon say wo si 2-3 pe na afi wo hu ne say wo ya ye bi nti eno ano no. We hu be bi asem ni ahye. Aha, nti mo ntre mo ade comment box mo tie for me da say.